Hey everybody out there, nation, got a new video for you today. I'm going to be replacing the air filter on a Ford Mustang GT California Sport. Not that the California Sport is relevant to the air filter, but that's what we're going to be doing today, so stay tuned. The filter I'm going to be using for this project today is a Mala or Mali, however you want to say it. Part number is LX3567. We'll go ahead and get that installed. I went ahead and laid out the new filter nice and clean. You can see the thickness of it. And this is the air box that it's going to be going into. So we'll get started on unsnapping the little clips, and this is a pretty simple project. I really didn't give you a good glimpse of the engine, this V8 engine, before we start this, but she's a beauty. Now when you look around over here on the side of the airbox, you're going to see two clips. You have a clip here, it's just going to pop back, and you have a clip right here, it's just going to pop back. Same exact thing on both sides. On this other side, there are actually little grooves that the plastic will slide into. So we're actually going to have to slide this box this way and then come up with it. What I went ahead and had done was slide this up, and you can literally just see the filter under. I didn't have to remove any of the sensors or any of the plastics or loosen anything. This is our filter here. So, ooh, not looking very good. Hence the reason why we have a new one. So I'll get that one out of there. We'll get moving on to the next thing. After I removed the old filter, you can see all the crud down inside. So I'm just going to use a vacuum and get that out, maybe even wipe it out. But I pulled out the filters and brought them over so you can actually just compare the difference. Now that is horrendous. So whoever let this one go that long is going to be in trouble. And I was able to just use a little small shop vac that I have and just get it all cleaned out. All the big particles, anything that's going to block the airflow. So that's what we're getting rid of. So super simple. I just lifted this up, dropped the filter in, made sure it sits in flush, and that's it. We'll go ahead and reinstall the top of the box and we'll be done. Just to put this together, what you want to do is just make sure these two tabs are through the slotted plastic. And then what I had to do is just apply a little pressure here on the back side as you're pushing the airbox this way, and then you're going to bring the two clips and snap them up over the top of the airbox. Well, that's it for today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, anything about today's video. I have more videos in the future. Let's go ahead and get rid of this old dirty filter, and I'll see you next time.